In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace back 2025. 100% solved. First, let's confirm Marketplace is truly missing and not just tucked away. Open the Facebook app and use the search bar to look for Marketplace. Then open the menu icon and scan the shortcuts to see if it appears. If you don't see it in either place, keep going with these fixes. Next, check whether your account is eligible. Marketplace can disappear for new accounts, for anyone under 18, after policy violations, or if Facebook flags unusual activity. Open the menu, go to your support inbox, and look for any notices about Marketplace warnings or restrictions. If you see a restriction, that explains the removal. A very common 2025 culprit is network masking. Turn off any VPN apps, disable any proxy or private DNS you've turned on, then fully close and restart the Facebook app. Make sure location services are enabled since Marketplace depends on your region to show local listings. In your phone settings, find location, select Facebook, and set it to allow while using the app. Toggle location on and restart Facebook afterward. Keep your app up to date. Head to the Google Play Store or the App Store, update Facebook, and reopen it. On Android, clearing cache can help without touching your data. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and tap Clear Cache, then reopen the app. Avoid clearing data unless you absolutely need to. If it still isn't back, log out and log back in. Use the menu to log out, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, sign back in, and check Marketplace again. A quick reinstall often helps if it vanished suddenly. Uninstall Facebook, restart your phone, reinstall, log in, and check again. If you're unsure whether it's the app or your account, try Facebook in a browser. Go to facebook.com in Chrome or Safari, sign in, and click Marketplace. If it shows up in the browser but not the app, it's an app issue. If it's missing everywhere, it's likely account related. If your account was restricted, request a review. Go to Help and Support, choose Report a Problem, pick Marketplace, briefly explain that it disappeared, and that you have no recent violations. If that's accurate, submit and wait. Reviews typically take 3 to 14 days. For brand new accounts, Marketplace often appears after 7 to 30 days. Stay active by adding friends, interacting with posts, and verifying your phone and email. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Marketplace back as soon as your account and app are in good standing.